I'm looking more deep into to look at the marketing strategies from social media is going to be Kylie Cosmetics. What I did was just go to Instagram.com up here. I typed in actually Kylie Jenner, and she has a link to Kylie Cosmetics in her page. But as you may know, she came up with her very own cosmetic line called Kylie Cosmetics. She has her Instagram and her Snapchat that are her two ways to get the public in the know about her products. So just looking at her Instagram by itself, you could see that she has a lot of posts, 16.5 million followers as well as 168 she's following, so she's a great follow ratio. Looking at her page, you can look at the highlights portion of the Instagram, and she uses these different highlights categories to promote her new products. For example, the summer highlight category, just going to click on that. You can look at each thing that she has. It just says summer, and throughout it's just her new product that's going to be coming out. People are looking at it and she's reposting. This is the eyeshadow itself. She's just posting about her product. This is all just her in the summer. And at the very end of this highlight story, it's just going to be when the new launch is coming out. So the whole point of this highlight category is to let people know that on July 13th, this product is going to be released. So that's good for the category for summer. You're going to look more into it and see that there's a highlight category called new lip kits. I'm just going to click on that, and like it says, it's going to be new lip kits that are coming out. So again, she's using the Instagram highlights to promote her new products. It says new lippies drop tomorrow 8 a.m. So she's telling the people that are following her what the products look like, what they're called, and when they're actually dropping. So it gives them an insight, gives the followers an insight to the products that are coming out versus just seeing them in the store, because there is no store for Kylie Cosmetics. She uses only pop-up shops as well as online sales. So we're just going to scroll down to see some more of her posts. They're very bright and colorful. She kind of has a theme of bright and colorful. We're going to click on this post right here. One of her tactics for her Instagram success is involving real people in her advertising. This engages customers and makes them feel and seem very important to her. Whenever people see the product, this is actually for highlight. Whenever people see the product on somebody different, on a different skin tone, a different person, a different age group, it can often gravitate different people to the product. So we're just going to exit out of here. You could see people really like this though. Look at all the comments and the views on it. We're just going to keep scrolling down though, and oh my goodness, does she not post so much? She sure does, which is great. She's using different genders and different people on her for her products, because yes, it's makeup. It goes to anybody that wants to put it on. We're going to find this post of a sales promotion here. We're almost there for a 40% off 4th of July sale. So again, Kylie's giving an insight to just her followers on this sale. So it says for select items, it says when it ends and when it starts, which is the 4th of July. And this is great because it's a free way to advertise a sale going on. It's going to make people excited and repost. And as you can see, people are like, oh my goodness, I missed it. I wonder if they do it here. There's a lot of action going on in the comment section, which is awesome. And I mean, with this many likes, 97,330, you can see that people really do like the post, and that's something that's great about advertising online versus in a magazine or on the television screen. You can't see who actually likes it and who actually views it, and for Instagram you can. So that is awesome. We're just gonna go one post over on her Instagram page to see another post that she reposted for her new product. This beautiful girl posted it previously Kylie recognized that, and it's her new product. It's her new Velvet Liquid Lipstick. And something that's specific about this repost versus a different repost is that she's actually promoting her new collection. She uses this hashtag frequently, the Court times Kylie collection hashtag, in order to categorize all of the posts about this collection, this collaboration between the two sisters. They're all in one spot. They're all in this hashtag, which is very interesting. Another post we're going to highlight on is this one of her sister Courtney. Something great about this is that it's a different color palette. It's a different view. As you can see, it stands out. So I'm going to click on it one more time. She's using her also famous sister to promote a restock, which is interesting because you would think that just the KylieCosmetics.com would be promoting the restock or letting the viewers know, but it's actually, she's communicating directly with her followers once again, letting them know that, oh no, I know that we ran out, but at 3 o'clock, go on there and buy it, which is awesome. It's great for her to do that. The information keeps them in the know while creating a need for customers to view the page. It's not just that the customers want to see the makeup and see the sisters, it's actually that they are now needing to look at this to know when there's going to be a promotion or a sale or a restock. It's crucial information. And another note about this post is that Kylie actually is the person that posts every single one of these. It did say according to fastcompany.com, that Kylie posts every single thing. There was one person that helps her out when she is really busy, and that person will post something, and Kylie said she actually quotes, I actually delete a lot of things on Instagram that I see my person posted, and I repost it myself if I don't absolutely love it. So that's what's great. Whether it's a sister or a repost or a new product, Kylie is the one that is giving this to the public. It's not somebody else or just a team of people. I'm also going to move on to how you can see that she relies on this account for much of her success with all of her followers. When you click on the main hashtag right here at the top of this screen, it takes you to specific Kylie Cosmetics posts. As I mentioned earlier, the hashtags for the collabs or the seasons or just really anything that she's used really does group together the posts. But what's specific about this one is it is her main hashtag. So for example, this was her post and this was that she posted and hashtagged, and this one right here is a redo of the makeup that she actually did herself. Kylie actually did herself on her own page. So this person right here has over 3,000 likes, and she's saying how excited she is for this collection and what she used, which is actually Kylie Cosmetics items. So that's a free promotion as well that Kylie Cosmetics is able to do by having makeup artists such as this Brooke Tiffany account promote her stuff by using her stuff, whether it just be a fan page, Bomb Kylie, this is her child, or it be something like that, or this is one that's promoting one of her fans. It's just a great way to keep everything together. Right here is also an example of a makeup artist that doesn't have as many views as the other one, but there's a lot of ones like this that she used the Kylie Cosmetics products to have this makeup tutorial done. And whenever these are reshared and seen by many, it's just a way of promotion for Kylie, which is great. This account is very impressive in many different ways. It has been what brought her much success. And like I mentioned earlier, her name is Kylie Jenner, which I'm sure you know. And you can see her page right here, which she does post about her cosmetics as well. This one is just her summer collection, Kylie Cosmetics. So if you do want to look at her actual page, which has 110 million followers, which is astounding, you can look at her real page to look at the Kylie Cosmetics website, which is interesting. as well as the Instagram account that I have been showing you.